Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to put your skills to the test with the latest GoSkills Excel challenge. Joining us today is GoSkills' own Claudia Buckley with a special challenge submitted from our community.
Today's challenge was submitted by a member of our Excel community on Slack, Judes Jeromin. It consists of 4 athletes who've decided they'll do 4 training activities every day for the month of August: swimming, running, cycling, and hiking. To make it interesting, they want to mix it up so that the type and order of their individual daily schedule is generated at random, like you see here. Can you create a schedule that assigns random activities for each athlete for the month of August? Of course, we don't want you to do that manually. That would take too long. What Excel formula would you use to do something like this? And once you've created the schedule, take a look at this section here below, where someone can select an athlete and select a date from a drop-down list and view that person's roster for the next 7 days, starting with a selected date. Maybe they want to print it off or something. And your final task for this challenge is, if any of the dates is not on the schedule, we want the roster to show the words "no schedule" for that date. Think you've got it? I can't wait to see your solution. I'll show you mine next week, and I'll see you then.
Do you have what it takes to complete this challenge? To get started, click the link below to download all the files you need. Let us know how you're doing in the comments section. Or, even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your progress. Link in the description. If you'd like to know the solution to this challenge, hit that subscribe button and get notified when the next video drops with all the step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. Good luck, everybody!